Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to discuss about ES6 function. In the last video we have discussed about a conventional function in Google Apps Script, and recently Google Apps Script started supporting ES6 function, and in today's video we are going to dive deep into the ES6 function. So ES6 function is also called as an arrow function. So let me show you a syntax of ES6 function. So you have to define const followed by the function name. Let me name that function as arrow function, and this should be your function name followed by equal to, and after the equal to symbol you have to specify the number of params that this function is going to accept. So this is a very simple function and I'm not going to pass any argument to this function, so I'm using an empty parenthesis. And instead of starting the function with the curly braces, you have to use the arrow function, and this is why we call this as an arrow function. So after this arrow symbol you have to use this curly braces, and inside the curly braces you can specify or write the logic of this function. So I'm going to just print console.log just test, and to call this function you have to use this function name and this parenthesis symbol. Click on run. So that's it. It print the value test here, and this is how the simple arrow function work. In the last video we learned how to write a function for calculator, and in today's video we are going to convert the normal function into an ES6 function. So the first one is an addition, and to modify this addition you no need to use the function. So I'm selecting the function keyword from all the below functions: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and I'm going to cancel that. So now we have to specify the const, and this should be the function name. Add is a function name, sub is a function name, multiplication mul is a function name, and div is a function name. Space equal to, and after the equal to symbol I have to use an arrow function here. That's it. Now we successfully converted the normal function into an ES6 arrow function. So let's go ahead and check that out. I'm going to save all the changes. Now go back to the main function calculator, and here put add here. Let me copy the same for other operation. Okay, sub and multiplication, finally division. So I want to add 5 and 6, or 10 and 4, 3 and 7, 10, 2. So let's click on the run and execute the calculator function. So first 5 plus 6, 11, 10 minus 4, which is 6, 7 product 3 is 21, 10 by 2, which is 5. So now we learned how to define arrow function or ES6 function, also how to convert the existing function into an ES6 function. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.